Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. Welcome back to Beauty by Rena. So today, if you clicked on this video, you are looking for the Google Picks My Makeup challenge. Now, this is what I ended up with. Not the face, but the eyes. You see the So if you want to know how I picked this, how this all came along, definitely stay tuned and we'll get right into the video. Hi everybody, welcome back to Beauty by Rena. So today I am doing something quirky and fun. So I went to Google and I typed in the initial of my first and my last name, and then I typed in the word look after it, and when I went on, I found a couple of not weird things, but everything, they weren't more so like a photo you can copy. So the first thing that I found is this picture that I'll insert over here. It was an image of a man. I guess it was an Indian movie, not too sure, but the colors that were depicted in it were yellow, orange, and red. So I'm going to try to recreate a yellow, orange, and red eye look. Now, as I always say, I'm not one for like bright looks, so I'm really excited to see what I can come up with and show you all. So yes, I'm going to come back with my eyebrows and my eyelid primed and ready for the video. Okay y'all, so I am back. If you want to see how I did my eyebrows, you will have to check out the video that I will be dropping. I don't know when, but I will be dropping soon after this one. I have an idea of what I want to do, but y'all just gonna have to see how it comes out. I will be taking the Zulu Juvia's Place palette and putting this yellow color above my crease but in the inner corner. Next, I will be taking the orange color from the Zulu Juvia's Place palette and depositing that right next to this yellow color. I'm going to go back with that other brush and blend the two colors before I move on to the next color. Next, I am going to take this shade Sunset from the ItsMyRayeRaye BH Cosmetics palette and put that at the end. I'm going to blend the two colors into each other. Since I didn't start with a transition shade, I'm going to take the color Pancake from the ItsMyRayeRaye palette and just blend in all three of the colors right above where I placed them. So I don't know if you all can see the gradient of the orange, red, and yellow. Now I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but this is me experimenting and trying to do the challenge, so don't judge me. I'm going to go into my Maybelline concealer and an angle brush and just cut my crease. Okay, so this is what we have. Now at this point, it doesn't really matter how crisp the line is because I'm going to be going in with a glitter line in my crease. I'm going to take glitter glue, dip my brush in there, and then dip it in the glitter. I'll be using some Nyx glitter. Draw a line in my crease. Now, I'm thinking to do something a little extra. I wanted to do a red winged eyeliner. Now, I know that sounds a little crazy, but black is not in the photo at all. But neither was glitter, but the glitter, you know, accentuates it. But I feel like red eyeliner would go best with this, so I'm going to dibble and dabble in a little something. I'm going to take my ColourPop red lipstick in the shade Creeper and my angled pencil DIY colored eyeliner. If you ever need an eyeliner and you have a lipstick in that color, use that lipstick. Oh my god, I think that's so cute. So cute. I'm going to clean up under the wings a little bit. Now, one thing I definitely didn't need was this tape. I just see YouTubers doing it and I'm like, oh my god, I need tape. No, I did not need tape. Now, as I stated earlier in the video, I will be doing a 100% drugstore foundation routine in my next video. So I won't be showing you how I do my foundation. If you want to see how I get that, then you will have to wait until I drop my next video on that. So I'm coming back to you with a full face. Okay, so now I am back with my full face done. Stay tuned on how I got this drugstore look. Now I'm going to go back into my Zulu Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to take that yellow and just put it all on my lash line. I'm going to go into that orange shade again and put that underneath. So here I am back with my face completely done. This is my eye look, kind of dramatic. I added some lashes and mascara on my lower lash line as well as some color. It was very creative for somebody to make a makeup look that is chosen by Google. Very, very cool. So if you all want to do the same thing, all you have to do is go to Google, type in your first name and your last name initials. Mine was SJ. Then after that, put the word look. Go into Google Images and find something where you can get like some creative spunk from. I probably would have never done this look if I did not do this challenge. So I really enjoyed it. I think it's really pretty and colorful, and yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you would like to see how I got my foundation, definitely stay tuned for my next video. It's gonna be a full face drugstore foundation look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, as well as hit that bell notification, and I will be back to you with another video. Hope you have a great day. Bye.